For Inuit, the ocean is not just a place. It is a source of life. It is our highway, our pantry, and our history. We have always adapted to shifting ice, changing seasons, and unpredictable conditions. Climate change is accelerating those changes, but the principles are the same. Resilience, knowledge, and a deep relationship with the sea that guides us.
Kiutsiivat tämän iluissoqqaanialisaq misiittaaqarfiinga. Atas uatakku iluutitsisut misiisimasarpunga ataatanga alliartorninnianga alaqatigisimagakku immamilu atuisinnaanеran ilinniarfigisimанери писуи. Ис iluutitsisut misiisimasarpunga таамааттани ilinniarfaarsimага. Niitsiniar niitsisoqarniarpaa sigaagatsiuqaloqatiginnitsuu naapinnermi kappisuoriartoq qalusam missalerlu арлаати киоqatigiittarpu атаатиккуаваллутсоор niitseqatigeriarlu niitseqatigiittarpugut uutsinnuat tuumangиннерусsanакка суиннагуйерлассаппат алисаруйортариақарпугун аллуилаартариақарпугун нунатта писаатитаанигаанниерланеруга тааккунангалу писсарсииннаа сарлу so тассилаана аллангорерпо валунгаарпут соормассаккут 2010 иерлалаармарани таамани тимуссини ангаласарпу сигуккоортарпу керлуиллунни илай сикоқангилла тас таанмалуэн қаарникуа
Inuit in Greenland, they were nomadic. So those shifts in the patterns of migrations and the change in temperature and weather patterns, it makes planning much harder. The warming waters are driving the halibut away from their usual marine habitats, where the fishery on halibut is incredibly important. Ilulissat lives on fisheries. You also see new species like the cod, a fish that hasn't been historically fished very much here. You have a double pressure on the halibut from climate change and fisheries. It's not sustainable.
Kanani iluissaani iyaasutulluusoo pikinikupпут имас продуктивниилеерсаккам массаккалаалнаани соо аалисаккат эққерисsuinnарлуин авамукаассуиннарлу таассма тугаануарма нgamналерпуссармиссаа наатторсуутигиспаннаарпаасоор сиулиссатсиннут аалисартаама аннерпутигитиллугу
Climate change has a very harsh impact on the Greenlandic Inuit identity. What is happening here in Ilulissat is not unique. It is happening across all Arctic communities and ecosystems. The whole country of Greenland, Canada, Alaska, Russia, Sweden, Norway, and Finland. We are a part of the whole ecosystem, and we cannot live without it. Human is not separated from nature. Its identity, its culture. Indigenous knowledge is something that has been passed on for generations, which means that it is something that has been experienced. It lies within your consciousness. Our main mission with Oceans North is to strengthen knowledge, conservation and sustainable fisheries in and around Greenland. We do that by having partnerships with local communities. We talk and we engage fishermen and their families. We listen to them. What do they observe? What are their priorities in order for them to have a livelihood that also takes care of the oceans and ensures sustainability? Part of our engagement is understanding how we should develop management plans for the fish stocks, along with the local communities.
Amma meqqannut tungatillungu taakku qanu sila pissusaa imalunni taasillumaffiisissat ilinniaqqaagassat арлaqarami amma immami angatassangaana.
Everyone has the right to have food, to have security, a life where children, parents, grandparents are thriving, not just surviving. That's a part of my culture. That is what drives me. The North Atlantic Ocean, the South Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, they're all the same ocean. It's one ocean. It's us humans who call them different oceans. The water connects us all. Our people have always adapted, and we will always find ways to adapt to the changing climate.